Hi, I'm Madhu Narayanan. Here is my wife Simi and
Hi.
Dia, my daughter, and Aryan, um, my son. It's the first time we have furnished our house. We last home we did not furnish it much. It was only kitchen that we have done. So we have given the project to the kitchen decor because um, you know there was the previous home kitchen was furnished by kitchen decor, so we had a good experience there, and the how we didn't know that how prefabricated factory made fittings are going to work really, but that time we found that it is working fantastically well.
Yes, we
So
12 years now.
yeah, it's almost 12 years now, and it is still holding well.
We already had a very good experience with kitchen decor Kharadi. So that's how, we ventured into this project with you guys.
Yeah, we tried some 20 plus designers, and finally we came to know that kitchen decor is into home furnishing, the entire home furnishing for the first time. It was a great outcome. We are able to
Yeah,
produce.
they did deliver a real good project, as expected, as per the rendered images, that has been shared with us. Right,
Yeah.
it did match, and we are content and totally, satisfied with kitchen decor, and we would love to recommend them in our own friend circles as well. I would say it was a whole team effort. We did put in our entire 100%, and all the kitchen decor people. I would like to thank each and everyone, right from the draft person, the sales person, and the execution team who are a part of it, and of course the carpenters who have worked here. From the bottom of our heart, we would like to extend our, thank you, big thank you to all of them, and to especially to Milind sir and Chaudhary sir.